Honorable Minister of Finance, Honorable Attorney General, and Minister for Commerce, Mr. General. A big round of applause for Honorable Nadi. And a big round of applause as well to the CEO of Fijian Attorney General, Mr. Nadi. Companies that have supported this year's Fijian Bula Festival.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure to be here again this evening. I was here a couple of years ago, and of course, at this time of the night, we don't want to listen to long speeches. We're all here to exactly find out who are the winners. So I'll be extremely short. I'd like to thank, of course, the organizers for the Bula Festival. These sorts of charities, organizations aren't very easy to run. It may look very easy, but they're not. I'm sure the officials will tell you the amount of planning and preparation that actually takes place before the actual week of the festival. There's a lot of effort and energy that goes into it. Of course, none of this would be possible without the sponsors, and Digicel is a major sponsor for this festival. I think we should put all our hands together for Digicel, for their effort, contribution, and of course all the other sponsors, and indeed the sponsors of the individual queens, or would-be queens, for this festival, and the winners, of course. But the reality is that all of them are winners, ladies and gentlemen, because I can tell you, it's not very easy to have everybody gawking at you for about a week, and they all strut their stuff for a week on the stage. It's not very easy to do that, and of course they have received the support from their friends and families and loved ones who are all working behind the scenes. So thank you very much, contestants, for your effort, because ultimately they're actually raising funds for a very good cause, and please put your hands together for them, irrespective of who wins, because they've done a wonderful job. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some very exciting times ahead of us in Fiji, as the earlier speakers have said, that we have Nadi town growing. You're getting your 4-lane road, you've already got your road that goes to Denarau. There are lots of other things that are about to happen in Nadi with the many plans that government has in place. Of course, Nadi is soon to be declared a city. We have a major program to get a lot of street lighting done and major footpaths done, not just in the Nadi town area, but in areas such as Botolevu and various other suburbs of Nadi, if you like. So there's some very exciting times. Yesterday, the Honorable Prime Minister launched, for the first time in Fiji's history, digital television, which is going to be now launched in the Nosori Lami corridor from next week Monday. And you'll soon be getting it in Nadi, Latoka area, around about December. This is all very exciting times. Our young people, who constitute about 70% of the population. There's a lot of opportunities for you. We like you to take advantage of it. We like you to take advantage of contributing to your country. If we all come together as citizens of our country, we'll make a very strong Fiji. And these ladies here, of course, have contributed in their own little way by being here for about a week and raising funds for a very worthy cause. So thank you very much once again. I wish you all a very good evening. I'd like to thank the organizers once again, and we wish all the contestants all the best. Thank you for your contribution, and of course, we look forward to hearing from the winners. Thank you, and have a good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Digicel, Bula Queen 2016 goes to... Nadi Town Council, Grace Fijian.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Digicel Bula 2016, Miss Nadi Town Council, Miss Grace Torelli. I'd also request Mr. Adrian Ali, if you could please come forward and do the honors of giving the return air ticket either to selected destination Sydney, Australia or New Zealand, courtesy of Fiji Airways. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Fiji Airways. And now I'll request Miss Digicel Bula to say a few words, followed by Miss Digicel Charity. You're very